everyone, Nancy here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing codes for April 2018. This month's code was a surprise, but not a surprise when you really think about it. The energy that's in play right now is cleaning out the old, out-of-date energy and setting yourself up for new possibilities and options. It's all about spring cleaning. And two codes came up. The first code came from the flower essences category. It's the warrior rose. This rose assists with balance and establishing or maintaining our boundaries, as well as giving us strength in adversity. It has deep roots and it holds its ground. This code will release the energies that we're done with or that no longer serve us. So let's go ahead and install the code for the flower essence, the Warrior Rose. First, if you know how to ground, go ahead and ground. And breathe. Now I'd like you to focus on being in the center of your head. It's behind your eyes, between your ears. This will help you focus your intention. Okay, to install the code, right-handers, put your right hand on your heart, that's the delivery hand, and put your left hand up like an antenna to receive the energy of the code. For left-handers, we flip it. Left hand on your heart and right hand up like an antenna. And yes, right and left-handers do have opposite polarities. We ask for, accept, and align with this Anahata code. It's with gratitude that we accept the assisting frequency of the Warrior Rose. 3712-1589-4236-479. 3712-1589-4236-479. 3712-1589-4236-479. 3712-1589-4236-479. 3712-1589-4236-479. 3712-1589-4236-479. 3712-1589-4236-479. Okay, now both hands on the heart to close up the installation. And be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. As I mentioned earlier, as I was pulling codes, a second code also came up for this month that was relevant. So the request was, is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will rewire us to recognize and utilize the incoming energies that will serve us well? The second code that came up is from the colors category. And it's the color violet. Violet is the color of the crown chakra, the energy center at the top of our heads, which connects us to our higher self and the amazing ideas that we come up with. That's where the phrase, "it just came off the top of my head," comes from. Violet also represents the future. The crown chakra, being the highest of our 7 body-based chakras, is the closest to full knowingness in our bodies. So it's the closest to our spiritual high-frequency information and intuition. And since thoughts become things, the crown chakra is instrumental to creating our future and therefore drives the imagination and is the seat of dreams. And, wait for it, it is spiritually calming to the emotions. Violet is like magic. It's like the magic juice. It also inspires and enhances psychic ability and spiritual enlightenment, while at the same time connects with the other end of our chakra system to help keep us grounded. This code will rewire us to recognize and utilize the new incoming energies that will serve us well into the future. So let's install this code. Again, if you know how to ground, go ahead and reground yourself and breathe. And focus on being in the center of your head, behind your eyes, between your ears. Okay, now we're going to assume the position for bringing in the energy of the codes. Right-handers, right hand on heart, left hand up like an antenna. Left-handers, left hand on heart, right hand up like an antenna. We ask for, accept, and align with this Anahata code. It's with gratitude that we accept the assisting frequency of the color violet. Five, 9, 2, 7, 8, 8, 4, 3, 1, 8. 5, 9, 2, 7, 8, 8, 4, 3, 1, 8. 5, 9, 2, 7, 8, 8, 4, 3, 1, 8. 5, 9, 2, 7, 8, 8, 4, 3, 1, 8. 5, 9, 2, 7, 8, 8, 4, 3, 1, 8. 5, 9, 2, 7, 8, 8, 4, 3, 1, 8. 5, 9, 2, 7, 8, 8, 4, 3, 1, 8. Okay, now both hands on the heart chakra to close up the installation. And be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. So, that's it. Please drink plenty of water after your code sessions because the codes will trigger a healing response if you're out of balance in the area that the code is intended for. So I would love to hear about some of your experiences with the codes, and I invite you to go to YourEnergyRx.com and grab your free energy tools. There's also a link there where you can book your live personal code session with me if you have particular concerns or desires that you'd like me to go ahead and pull some codes for. Or if you'd rather have a code through email, you can find me on Fiverr.com at the address on the screen. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy your codes, and remember, there's a code for that. Bye for now.